Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken dogs, chicken legs. So I'm going to wash them and I'll show you when I season them. Okay. Okay, y'all. Wash my chicken legs. There's usually 5 legs in this pack, but it was 6 in here. So I'm towel blotting them. Get them dry. Even though I'm going to wet them when I put the mustard on here. Plain yellow mustard. I'll be using this lime pepper seasoning. I like the way it looks on the food, and it tastes good. So that's looking so far, and I'll put some Matteson on here. No salt in this and no MSG. Oh, I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. I'm going to use some of this Andy's Flaming Hot chicken breading. Did I seal that? I'll vacuum seal that. Trying not to let this sip and go up my nose. I don't want to be sneezing. I'm using the rest of this Stan's hot chicken breading. See what color that is. I'm feeling that in my throat. I'm going to be using my Borlebbi 10-quart air fryer. Plug it in. Oh my God, you can see what I'm doing. It's like this inside. Sometimes I raise the this up with another grill. I'm going to do it in the bottom this time. Okay. Put the glove on. And the rubber band. Now, even though the breading is seasoned, I like to season my chicken too. To have its best flavor, I should have marinated it at least 30 minutes. But straight out the fridge. Put these in this breader shaker bowl, and I'll leave a link. I can't get this open. I don't want to touch both handles. Put 3 in at a time. I'm not sure if I air fried any chicken this year. I'm not sure. Put the other 3 in here. You don't want to overcrowd the bowl. You want everything evenly coated. And when you buy a bag of chicken breading that's already seasoned, you never have to use the whole bag. I mean, unless you're cooking for a huge family or a restaurant. We shake off the excess. I gotta clean this. Oh. Okay, this is how the chicken looks. I'm gonna spray it with, I'm not sure what oil is in here. Olive oil, avocado oil, I'm not sure. I think it's olive oil. I'm spraying each piece so it don't have the floury, so it don't look so powdery. And yes, you do need oil if you want nice golden brown, crispy, air fried chicken. I'm gonna set it for 24 minutes. Some of these legs are kind of healthy. Set it for 24 minutes. I pulled it out from the wall and set. Turn it on. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, here's how my chicken legs look. Okay, here's my 6 chicken legs. Air fried chicken legs. Okay. Okay, here's my plate, y'all. I basically got the same thing I had when I made the pork chops. Except I don't have no salad on my plate. So I'm gonna taste one of these chicken dogs. This is a chicken dog, y'all. It's crispy. I hate to bite into this. And y'all see me burn my mouth. Spicy. Oh my. Woo. This is spicy, y'all. Don't need no hot sauce. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. 5:35 p.m. on Tuesday. Okay, bon appetit.